Yeah, y'all, so we outside. The event is going well. A lot of dope cars out here. Man, I enjoy it, man. I love the car culture. I love the camaraderie and just the insight on trying to get your car to where you want it to be, for whatever bill you got going on. It's just dope. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna continue the recording. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna stay, you know, tomorrow, because I think it's gonna be the same cars out here. So might just get on back to the A, but I'm glad I bit the bullet, you know, even though some of my homies reneged on me. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to keep grinding, keep pushing this dope content. Destin, Florida, we outside, man. I might go home and go jump in the pool, find me something to eat. We'll see, man, but we still outside recording though. We still outside recording. We ain't giving up. I mean, not giving up, but we're not closing this video out. So let's keep on watching. Let's go. Follow your guy, Bloody Low 300. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, that shit is hard. Hey man, it's some big booty Judas out here, bro. Oh, I'm already with the chicks. My chick over there in the back. Over there in the back, over there. It's a black chick. I bet. That's hard. Ooh. The wheels go dope. Yes, sir. Inside that guy. Yeah, man. That's. What's your name? You mind if I record?
Oh,
Oh yeah. What's your name on IG?
My name is Shaq, and my IG is Zen Quay Yen. So that's Zen_Quay_Yen. And this is my 2000 Mazda Miata Turbo.
Man, y'all go follow my man Shaq on IG. I'm gonna tag it in my post. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel. He says favorite mod is the turbo. Y'all see the big turbo there? How many? I don't know all these questions, but I'm just gonna ask them because there were people asking me like, how much pound is boost is it putting out?
So it's putting out about 13 to 14 psi.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it's like I said, it's rated at 250 wheel horsepower.
Nice, nice. What made you pick this color?
Not to get all sentimental.
Yeah.
My wife's wedding ring is rose gold, and I wanted to dedicate this color to her.
Oh, nice.
Because she helped me out. It was me and her. We wrapped it in our garage.
Right.
And it's a little imperfections here and there. Don't look too close, but
hey,
we
man,
did it together.
hey.
And,
man, I got rock chips on my car right now, man. So it's all good. But yeah, he said that's based off the wife wedding ring, and I was joking with him. I said she picked out the shirt too. But you know, you gotta allow her to have some good time, man. But this is a dope video. I already recorded, man. Y'all follow me. Y'all follow Shaq on the Instagram. We're gonna be tagged in this video. This is gonna be the long form. I'm gonna do the short IG form here, but it's dope though, y'all. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Man, y'all, there's so many cars, man. I don't even know where to stop. I don't even know where to stop, y'all. But like I told y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna come back. Let me put myself on. I hate putting myself on camera sometimes, but I don't know if I'm gonna stay for the second event because I think it's gonna be the same car, so I can, you know, get an advantage of getting up out of here. But we're gonna continue to get these cars. We're gonna continue to show y'all this footage. We outside today. See what we can see. What we can see.
Challenge. One more team. And we can get it done. One more team for the ball challenge.
I think I'm gonna get them headlights, y'all. Better get them headlights. Goddamn TT go crazy. Second, man. What y'all think about this Audi TT, man?
Lucas and Owen to the ball tables.
Bronze seats. know you're already slow, man. Damn, boy, Shinobi left, man. Damn. Damn, man. My homeboy left. I was looking for this dude. He done fucking left. I didn't know he left. Oh, that shit hard. Yeah, that shit hard. Nah. Ain't no need to come in here cause I mean, we can come back tomorrow. If you did, I'm trying to figure out what's going on tonight, but I really might just, you know, because I've been out here, man, I've been out here since 12 o'clock, bro. Yeah. Look at all the shit out here, though. Nigga, it's all kind of shit out here, boy. Nah, this app, no. You can't now, no. They ain't gonna let you disrespect it. I was out here earlier. You can't. This. Oh nah, nigga, this Fast and Furious. You know what I'm saying? We trying to go Fast and Furious. You know what I'm saying? No, this Fast and Furious. You know. But no, what I'm saying is, it was way more lit early. This is 5 hours later. I just popped back out because I can't. Man, if I had you with me, man, shit, boy, that'd be ugly. They already choosing. Yeah, man, they already choosing, bro. I was like, man, y'all glad I'm by myself, boy. Huh? That's the bed. Oh yeah, they got the little drippers. Oh yeah, it's all kind of shit, man. Oh yeah, today. Oh yeah, you going to that? Oh yeah, you going to her little yeah. All right, well stay focused. Go on, get over there. All right, well stay focused. I'll holler back at you. My bad, bro. Shanara, what's up, bro?
Okay, I don't want to send a recent ever again like that.
What you got cracking, bro? What's going on, bro? Holla at your boy. Oh, you talking about DSG, Dick Sporting Goods. Yes, sir. Yeah, Shit, I don't know how it works, man. We out of town. But you want me to just text you my number and shit?
I got more people. I'm doing advertising for you.
I honestly don't know how it works. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm gonna text you my employee number, and just you know how we do it. We black folks. That's my brother here in Atlanta. I'm here. That's my brother, and this is employee number. So I'll text you my employee number, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right, bet. I'm gonna text to you right now. All right. All right. Those go up on that one. Yes, sir. Damn, boy, that shit is crazy. This y'all cars? You said yeah? yeah, no question. This your car right here?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Damn. I drove in from Atlanta.
Yeah, we're from Atlanta.
Oh, okay. What part?
Roswell.
Roswell? Okay. Yeah, I stay near Stone Mountain, like Highway 78.
Yeah, you're close.
Yeah. You know, Tucker, Georgia?
Yep.
Yep. I manage the Dick's Sporting Goods over there.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah. Man, this is hard. You did all this just. I'm not saying because you're a female. I'm just saying like, that's dope.
I'm just fucking with you. It's my boyfriend.
I'm about to say like, God damn, that's hard, man. That's hard. This your boyfriend too?
My husband's, yes.
Okay. I feel. I was like, hey, girls do shit too.
Have you seen a couple of them over there? We're both just along for the ride.
Man, I came down by myself because all my friends, they had reneged, so I'm down by myself. So I was just I'm just recording and having a good time.
Yeah, you guys should.
Yeah. Do y'all do YouTube?
No, I don't think they do so much YouTube.
Oh, okay.
They have their little like Instagrams, yeah.
And just follow those?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. And y'all don't mind me recording? Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, right. Well, man, yeah. Dope vehicles, dope. I ain't met your boyfriends yet, but hey, it look cool. Nice to meet y'all. Nice to meet y'all. Y'all be good. Oh, they're right there. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Which one yours, man?
This one right here. Let's go with you.
That shit hard, man. Damn. What's your favorite? I'm recording. You mind if I record?
Oh, no.
Okay. What's your favorite mod?
I mean, probably these because I made these myself.
These right here?
Yeah.
That's the intakes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm new to the game.
Because the intakes were in the hood. They don't make regular ones for this truck, so I had to
You had to make them yourself.
bring it up.
Right. Okay. Okay, so that's your favorite mod. So how fast you been in it?
Speed limit.
In Mexico.
Oh yeah, what
I'm recording, so I'll just letting you know.
Oh yeah, in Mexico I've probably been around 140.
140? Okay, cool. So look.
It's custom stage 2 because of these. I have to get a custom.
Right.
It's custom stage 2. 7 something.
Okay, cool. So I'm doing YouTube, so you mind sharing your Instagram and your social medias? I can tag you.
Absolutely. So my Instagram Euro_Elites.
Okay.
That's my personal Instagram, and my company. As you see these R's all over everything.
back of the shirt too.
Okay, I got you, brother.
Race Elite.
Hey, you got a card or anything?
I do not have a card.
Okay. So look, guys, we're gonna get his information off camera. But he said he made his intakes and everything personal. And this shit is aggressive. I love it aggressive. You know what I'm saying? So oh, he want me to get the wheels. Let me get the wheels. Woo! Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, man. I love it, bro. Andre. Chris, nice to meet you. I met his wife over there, man, and he said, man, listen, if y'all want to do this and y'all got this type of vehicles, he got those custom intakes. I don't know what the company is gonna do right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna get his information, we're gonna come right back. What's up, my boy?
What's up, sir?
What's up, man? What's you on Instagram?
My Instagram?
I said, you on Instagram?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna keep it raw, man. Keep it raw and uncut. Yes, sir. Man, that shit hard as hell.
Jump around, wave your hands, hoot and holler, do something to catch my attention, because we're gonna roll through these things. Second off, your winning ticket, you need to break it off from the rest of the tickets so we can verify that it is the correct number. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, brother. I like this guy. All right, what we got first? Ooh, I need to get away from that speaker. What do we got first here? Leisurely lifestyle. We got a lanyard, looks like a pumpkin hair. Ooh, that's sick. And a shirt. They got 3X. Ooh, your boy excited about that one. Look, dog, I'm big as hell and I know it, okay? I gotta get big size t-shirts. Swole. Yeah, no, I'm just fat. One 1400706. 1400706. We got a wiener. We got a wiener back there.
Yeah, we got one.
1400706. We got a winner. See, 5521166. 5521166. Blame them, not me. They're the ones pulling the tickets. I'm just talking. Sarah, pull a 1-4 from this gentleman right here. Oh my God, she actually did.
It's a little cold again in the beach, y'all, but I'm gonna come back and see you, baby. I'm gonna come back and see ya, baby. day 2, y'all. We outside, y'all see it. Yeah, we just gonna see what we can see, man. Day 2. I don't know if we can enter in from the other side, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on. Let's go. Nah, I'm good. Super fly, man. Search, man. That boy Shinobi. I used to play Shinobi on Sega. Sir, let's go.
13.
This shit nasty. wide body. Liquor store gone.